welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe and share. Today, we're going to make a simple shito recipe that can be paired with any dish. So today's recipe, we're going to make shito. For our shito, we'll need onions, some green habanero peppers, salt, some crushed red peppers, ginger, oil. We'll also need some garlic, some fresh rosemary, some negro peppers, anise seeds, and fennel seeds. Any kind of bouillon for your taste. I usually use the onga spice. You're more than welcome to use allspice, any type of seasoning that you use for your shito. You would also need some shrimp powder and some fish powder. I usually use 2 of the shrimp powder and 1 fish powder. So to start our shito, we have oil heating up in the pan. And this is how I know the oil is hot. I put in a wooden spoon, and as it starts to sizzle, I know it's hot. So what we're going to do, we're not going to do the blended type. We're going to do it my way, easy way, less water. What we're doing is adding the cut up onions in here. What we're doing is frying this. Until golden brown. Next, as our onion is cooking up in here, I'm going to add in my habanero peppers and ginger. So as our onion is starting to get translucent, we're going to add in our garlic. We didn't add this initially because we didn't want this to burn. Now we're going to add all of our spices in here. Okay, now that our veggies are translucent, everything is cooked up in here nicely. What I'm going to do is just grab my hand mixer. Right here, we're going to put it to work. Right, we're going to blend everything in here. Be careful not to burn yourself. So after you hand mix it, this is what it looks like. You're more than welcome to use a regular blender. I just wanted the easier way, so I used the hand mixer. Be careful with the hand mixer because it does splatter. So at this moment, I'm going to add in my shrimp powder. And then our fish powder next. So at this point, I'm going to add some more oil to help fry it because the shrimp sucked up all the oil. So we'll add the remaining oil and stir. Our shito should be done in a little bit. So our shito is almost ready. Because there was no water added to it, it cooks faster and it's less splatter. So at this point, add your bouillon or all-purpose seasoning. So we keep stirring it to avoid it from burning. pepper flakes goes in last, and your shito is ready. Thanks again, guys, for watching my tasty and simple shito recipe. Feel free to share, subscribe, and like this video. Until we meet again, have a blessed rest of your day. Bye-bye.